What are the key attributes do you think make a good leader in this unique med device space?
You can be a leader and not have someone reporting into you. And this still comes into play, and that is integrity. So it's a person that is going to do, they're going to do everything they can to do the right thing, regardless of what the circumstances are. And sometimes that can be challenging.
You really need people who are passionate about what they're doing, so a lot of drive, but also people who are compassionate and have empathy. And I think what you've got to do is you have to be able to balance empathy with the patient, understanding of a physician. You have to be able to inspire trust in the physician to drive change, and you have to have a real vision for the future.
What makes a true leader is understanding that marriage and that partnership between industry and healthcare, and ensuring that the patient never gets lost in the process.
Integrity, transparency, and a willingness and an ability to get uncomfortable if you need to reach out and ask people for help. And most leaders, I think, sometimes make the critical mistake of thinking they have to have every answer all the time to every question. And it's just like I tell my team, if you're with a physician and you don't know the answer to something, you cannot make it up. You pause, you say, let me go get that answer. I'll get back to you quickly, urgently, with facts, and you solve the problem.